Hey Camp Cooks, I'm Nate, and today I'm here to show you the 5 things you'll need for your camp kitchen in order to set up, pack up, cook up, and clean up memorable camping meals, as well as to share just a couple extra tips to help make your next meal under the stars a 5-star experience. Now, even if you're at a campground with a supply of clean, running water available nearby, you're probably going to want your own supply for your campsite. After all, who wants to walk all the way across the campground for water for your coffee before you've had your coffee? I prefer a big jug like this that you can set right at the edge of your picnic table. You can fill it up with water on the way into the campground, and with a spigot like this, it's almost like having a faucet right at the campsite. The secret to a perfectly stocked campsite pantry is planning ahead. Now, before you head out, think about your meals carefully and figure out exactly what you need to bring. Remember, a cooler is not a fridge, so if you overpack, it doesn't just mean you'll run out of space, you could also end up dealing with a lot of spoiled food. Speaking of coolers, I like to store my food in 2 separate containers. A hard shell cooler for perishables, and a plastic tote with a lid for other food. I like to keep both these containers near the picnic table so I can get to the food easily during the day. I also try to keep the cooler in the shade so that it doesn't heat up too much on the inside. Now at night, these get locked up back in the car just in case animals come sniffing around. And over here is my camp stove. It's one of the most important things that you can bring to your camp kitchen. I personally prefer a 2-burner stove like this one, so you can have a couple different things going at once, like boiling water for coffee at the same time as you're frying up bacon and eggs. And a little pro tip from me, I like to bring an extra prep table to extend your workspace. That way the picnic table can stay open for people to play games, have snacks, etc. while you're working in the kitchen. This is my 3-part campsite dishwashing setup. It's got a wash sink, a rinse sink, and a drying rack. You start by washing your dish off with biodegradable camp soap in the wash sink, then rinse your suds off in the rinse sink before leaving your dish to dry in the drying rack. You can also hang your dish in a mesh bag to save space. This is a griddle pan. Don't worry, stove isn't on. This is a must-pack item for me. It gives you a lot more real estate than a regular frying pan, and it's perfect for the #1 camping breakfast food, flapjacks. Okay, so plastic or silicone dishware is lightweight and easy to clean. It's also frequently included in basic campsite cooking and mess kits. Personally, I prefer enamelware, which is also lightweight, but feels a little bit sturdier. Don't forget cups and mugs for your drinks as well. Your camp cookware kit might not include these, and no matter how nice your plates are, they're hard to drink coffee out of. And this isn't really dinnerware, but I've cooked in the dark way too many times, and I don't want you to make the same mistake. So be sure to bring a camp lantern for when the sun goes down. The layout of your campsite is really important. Can we go to an overhead shot? I like to keep my water and cooler near the table, the dishwashing setup and stove at the edge of the campsite, and my extra fuel, cookware, and dinnerware in their own area. This layout forms a sort of triangle that makes cooking at camp a lot more efficient. Your standard camp cookware set is going to include all of your basics and usually comes in a nesting compact container like this. This one comes in a larger pot and includes a pot holder, bowls and utensils. It's got plates in here as well. It also has a collapsible compact frying pan with a detachable handle. There you go. It also has a trivet for when your pot comes hot off the stove. Basically, everything you might need to whip up a dish and a couple sides on your camp stove. Are there any essentials for the camp kitchen that we missed? Drop a comment down below and let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your time outdoors at the campsite and beyond. But for now, your table's ready. Bon appetit.